This is an unboxing video for the H743 V2. Once you remove the plastic wrap, you can see the packaging for the H743 V2. Simply open the box to find the H743 V2 nestled in foam. Remove the foam to reveal the other accessories. .130 AW G40 mm reverse dual-ended SH 1.0 to 8P flat cable. Two PCs 30 AWG 100 mm single-ended SH 1.0 to 4P flat cable. .120/955 buzzer with 60 mm wire length. Five PCs M3 by 8 mm shock absorber balls. Five PCs M3 by 6.6 mm shock absorber balls. H743 V2 accommodates the two most common mounting hole configurations found on flight controllers, 20 mm and 30.5 x 30.5 mm. When needed, it can be flexibly modified to suit the overall layout, with each component fulfilling its specific function. Boldly utilizing 4 S8S LEPO working voltages. It incorporates the STM32 H743 processor and ICM42688P gyroscope. Both represent top-tier components currently available on BF, enabling precise attitude sensing and stable control to ensure rapid flight control response. Features 6 serial ports, capable of controlling up to 8 motors, and includes an integrated barometer, OSD chip, and black box. Despite its rich functionality, all components are compactly arranged within a 36.5 x 36.56 mm space. Through optimized weight distribution, the entire device weighs only 7.3 grams, even with multiple features integrated. By the way, the H743 V2 thoughtfully includes numerous sockets and flat cables, making DIY projects accessible for beginners without limiting their creativity due to soldering constraints. Regarding accessories, here's a brief mention of components compatible with the socket on the H743 V2. 130 AWG 40 mm reverse dual head SH 1.028P flat cable, 230 AWG 100 mm single head SH 1.024P flat cables. These cables can be paired with their corresponding sockets, not only reducing soldering time, but also lowering the barrier for DIY drones. This allows beginners to attempt building their own desired drones. The 60 mm long 120/955 buzzer provides timely warnings to ensure user security. 5 8 mm and 5 6.6 mm M3 black shock absorber balls ensure core equipment stability during flight. Technology shapes the future, and SEQURE embraces innovation. Should you encounter any issues while using our products, or have suggestions for improvement, please feel free to contact us. We value every piece of feedback and are committed to continuous progress.